guys, it's Darlene and welcome to my channel. Alright, so today's video is what's new this week. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump in. Alright, first and foremost, if you're already subscribed to my channel, I just want to say thank you so very much. If you are not yet subscribed, be sure to hit that subscribe button as well as that notification bell. That way you won't miss out on any videos. All right, so we're gonna have a fashion video probably on Wednesday, and that's gonna be sweater dresses. So my favorite sweater dresses and how I style them. And then on either Friday or Saturday, so I'm giving myself leeway nowadays. Friday or Saturday, we are doing the first gift guide, which is gonna be things that are cuddly and luxe and just make you feel good. So now what came in this week? Okay, I picked up a few things. Let's go ahead and start with beauty because there's just a few things that I picked up in beauty. One is a new lippy from Estee Lauder. I happened to be returning something at the mall and I can't resist going by the Estee Lauder counter, and I found a lipstick that I do not own, and this is from the Eyelashes collection, so I'm obsessed with it. I'm wearing it today, and it is called Hot Kiss. So for those of you that don't know, I'm going to swatch it for you here. The Eyelashes collection has a little bit of a shimmer to it, so it's absolutely gorgeous. So let me just zoom you in. So this is the color. I love this color. For those of you that might already have slow burn, because I have recommended this before, let me show you how it compares to slow burn. Yes. Okay, this right here is slow burn, so you can see it's a little bit more, has a little bit more red to it, where Hot Kiss has a little bit more of a berry tone to it. So both are gorgeous. And then of course the tried and true one that I have from Estee Lauder is Tiger Eye. This is what started this whole journey down the Eyelashes collection, was Tiger Eye. So we've got Tiger Eye, Slow Burn, and the new one, Hot Kiss. So they're gorgeous. So I love this. It's just such a pretty color for fall. Now I did pick up two concealers. One I like and have used and is a gold standard, and then one I decided to try and I do not like. Picked up that I know I like is by Estee Lauder. This is the Double Wear Stay in Place Flawless Wear Concealer. I use light, medium, cool, and it works so good. I'm going to show you like a picture here because I did one eye with this one and then the other eye with the NARS, because I picked up the NARS and I picked this up in the color Honey Light 3 or something like that. Anyways, too thick, and you can see that I have really bad under eyes. We all know this, but this one shows very little creasing. This one just showed every crease that I have. So my other one, I just went through it, so I'm glad that I picked this up because I definitely don't like this one. The other one that works really well and I use is the Lancome, and I use that one in Ivory. So those are my two favorites. So yeah, the NARS is no. The NARS is no. I did pick up another 2-pack of the Gold Bond neck and chest firming cream. You guys know how I feel about that. The other thing that I am trying out are some new eyelashes. These are by Kiss, and these are the babies. So super thin. I'm going to show you here. You can see. Now, typically what I do not like about eyelashes like this is that you have to line your upper lids, and we know how I feel about that because I don't have a lot of space because I have very hooded eyes. So there's a little trick that I do. So what I do is take a little brush, a little angled brush, and I dip it in my Tati palette, the black, but you can use any black eyeshadow, and I will just paint a little bit of the black on them. Boop, 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 boop. Then I'll put them on, and then if I have to touch up a little black, I just use the little angled brush, and then that way you don't know. So you can see that I have them on today. Really natural. I mean, these are like, they look like my own lashes, but longer. So I do like them. So that's what they look like there. about jewelry. I did get some Louisa jewelry in. For those of you that don't know, I am obsessed by Louisa. I have several pieces that are in my collection, and they were nice enough to send me 3 pieces to showcase and show you. And all right, so for those of you that don't know, Louisa is a very small jewelry company that creates handcrafted jewelry, very elegant, very timeless. The pieces are very unique, and once they sell out of a piece, they usually do not bring it back. So once it's gone, it's typically gone. So I love their pieces because it's not something that's mass produced, if you will. And they're very elegant and very dainty and delicate. So I like that. So let's talk about the 3 pieces that I got. The first pair is the earrings. Love these, especially like when I'm wearing my hair pulled back or up a little, either half up or pulled back or in a ponytail, and I just want something a little bit dainty and delicate and yet has a little bit of sparkle. These are it. The most delicate, dainty earrings. And these ones are the Cruise, that is their name, and they are just so cute. So they're little, I think they'd make such a pretty Christmas gift. The other pair that I really like that I think would look stunning as well, and is about the same size, are these pair right here, which are the Celeste, and to me they just look like a star that you would put on top of your Christmas tree. So I think those pair are beautiful. It's a star and a moon, and I just thought they were so pretty, and I think they would make just such a gorgeous gift. Then I got 2 necklaces, and they come in these little velvet pouches, so you can keep them in your little velvet pouch if you want. And I got 2 necklaces. The one I'm wearing, they're both layered pieces, but what's great about this is they're actually 2 separate pieces. So you could just wear this little necklace here by itself, and it is adjustable, so it goes to 3 different levels. I'm going to stand up here. This one is called the Bay. B-E-A, and it's so beautiful. It has so the chain detail has that ball chain, you can see, has the little baby balls, both chains, and then the coin has the evil eye on it. It's so beautiful. I love this necklace, so cute and dainty. And in fact, I had shown this bracelet. This is the evil eye bracelet. I'm not sure this is still available. If it is, I will link it. And it's a little dainty cuff. I'm gonna put on this side. I have my breast cancer survivor bracelets on this side. So how beautiful and dainty is that? That would go so well. What a stunning combination. But this would make such a beautiful Christmas present. So it's absolutely gorgeous. Next layered necklace set is the Black Temple. They have the Black Temple and Green Temple. The difference is in the stone. So this is a black onyx. So I'm going to show that here. Isn't that gorgeous? And then the other one is a malachite. Now what I do to my necklaces, for those of you who watch me long enough, I put on a magnetic clasp. This is what they look like. They come in gold, silver, gunmetal, and it is a super strong magnet, and it's also very small. This chain is different than the ball chain, so you can see that this is a really nice, it's a thicker chain, but still dainty. And then the malachite is so gorgeous. So it's such a classic design. Absolutely beautiful. I'm wearing it here, but let me go ahead and I'll switch these out so that you can see. I haven't had a chance to actually put the magnets on this one yet. It's adjustable, so it adjusts. There's 3 little adjustable areas on it. Beautiful, right, you guys? So delicate, so beautiful, absolutely lovely, and again would make a phenomenal Christmas present since that's what's coming up. So these are great. They have a 365-day warranty on their jewelry. So check out some of their jewelry. It's really gorgeous. In the description box, I put a link. You can sign up, and then they'll send you information when things are on sale or a new piece comes in, and there's also a discount code in there as well. Now, as far as fashion, this shirt right here, I did show it in how I style joggers. If you haven't seen that video, I'll put it in the description box. But I wanted to show this, it was all about the joggers. This is all about the sweater. So this is a sweater material, lightweight. It's a mock neck turtle, so very, very lightweight. I have this in 2 colors actually. The green, I believe, is sold out, but they still have the white available. And then it has these sheer sleeves with the beautiful, it almost looks like organza, and then it has the little polka dots. And it's so pretty. Look how gorgeous that is. Today, I'm just pairing it with a pair of leggings that I got off of Amazon, so let me show you those. Got these in a brown. I should have gotten these in a smaller size because they're super loose. Here they are here. They're super, super long, so they go all the way, and I'll take my boot off here, but you can see I love the color. The chocolate brown is such a great color, and it goes so well with the sweater because it's kind of an ivory. And let me show you, I'll take the booty off so that you could, so I could show you the length. So they go all the way. They're nice and long. I'm not sure how I feel about the quality of them. I mean, they feel pretty good. I just think I need I need a smaller size. I got a black blazer. I showed that as well, but I always like to, you know, we were really talking about the joggers. The blazer's gorgeous. It's from Nordstrom's. It's a 1-button black blazer. I had one from Target that I had for like 4 years. It had to go. It lived out its life. So this one was on sale. I like that it's very, it's not a box cut, so it's nice. It skims the waist and it makes you look smaller than you are, which I'm always for. So I love that. Then with regards to home, I got a couple things in. For those of you that don't know, we are building a deck. We did get some solar lights for the posts. So I'll show you what that looks like here. And they're really pretty. And I got those off of Amazon, and they're really, really cute. And then I added some round motion censored lights we have a family room upstairs, or a game room. I never go up there, it's my husband's domain. But the stairs are kind of steep, and in the middle of the night, you know, the stairs are just like dangerous in my opinion. So I got these round lights. They're so freaking cool because you stick, it's like a magnet and it's round, and you stick it wherever, and then that light has a magnet to it. It takes 3 AAA batteries, and man, they just go off. So we put them on like every other step or something like that. I did do a video on redoing my laundry room. There were 2 things that I'm waiting for, and I'm still now waiting for one. One was a ginormous cat litter mat, because I showed you that we had our cat litters created in a bench, so you don't see them, but when they walk out, they put cat litter on their little paws and it goes everywhere. So I needed a big mat for this area, so because we have 4 cat litter bins inside, so it's a pretty big area. So it's gray, it matches the vinyl flooring that I did, so I'll show you that. And then pretty much everything else that's come in is going into the gift guide or going into a bunch of fashion videos that I have coming up, y'all. New this week, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up. And as always, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you soon. Bye, guys.